The radio in your Lexus ES has many different ways of operation. We will cover a few of these operations in this video. To start, press the knob on the left-hand side of your dash. This acts as your power and volume knob, and behind it is the tuning knob. Next, you have the radio button that will cycle your sources from AM, FM to satellite. Next, the media button will cycle you through all media sources. Lastly, your seek buttons will jump you to the next song of your audio playlist, or it will jump you to your next preset favorite radio station. You also have the ability to control volume for your audio and phone calls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. On the right side of your steering wheel, you will find your mode button. Press and release this button to cycle through all of your audio sources. Press and hold this button to pause or mute your audio. Use the seek arrows to jump to your next song or to your next radio preset. You can also access the radio by pressing menu near your touchpad and moving your cursor and selecting audio and choosing a source. On the right side of your view are your presets. Use the touch scroll pad by quickly flicking down on the touchpad, or use the arrows to jump to a different page of your presets. If you ever need a station list populated, select Station List on the left-hand side and wait for the list to populate. Once finished, you can find stations categorized by their genre and select a station to listen. If you'd like to set it as a preset, go back to your presets and move your cursor to the spot you would like to save it, and press down and hold on the touchpad until you see the station replace or save to the designated preset spot. Your Lexus also has a feature, Radio Replay. This allows you to rewind the current station in small increments, or jump back to up to 20 minutes if you've been listening for this amount of time. You can also skip forward or jump back to live radio. Adjust the sound of your source by moving to sound in the bottom left-hand corner and then selecting treble, mid, and bass to adjust those up or down. You also have a fader balance that will allow you to adjust the fade by moving the sound forward or back, or from left to right. Keep in mind that each audio source has its own adjustable sound settings. They are not uniformly adjusted. Your Lexus has the capability to stream HD stations. If you see that a station has an HD symbol next to it, select it and you can choose to listen to one of the alternate channels. These can also be set as a preset or a favorite. Tune to 90s on 9.
90s on 9.
9. And a hit you can still bounce to, right? Right.
Not only can you control your audio by using voice commands, you can also use your multi-information display controlled by the left-hand side of your steering wheel. You also have the ability to view and control the audio on your screen, as well as viewing the map. Locate the music note icon on the right-hand side of your screen to expand the audio view. To return to a full map view, locate the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and select it.